Hello viewers! First episode about generating futuristic vehicles images with free prompts offered here and after. Explore and uncover innovative transportation methods, such as streamlined spacecraft, aerial vehicles, or advanced robots. Basic tutorial: generating images with prompts. Embark on a journey into the future with our Futuristic Midjourney prompts. Unleashing AI art adventures. Here, art and AI combine to spark your imagination and provide you with unique visual experiences. If you give Midjourney some instructions, it will use artificial intelligence to make beautiful pictures. It's the same as working with an AI companion who possesses an endless supply of creative tools. In this video, you'll find prompts that challenge your artistic vision and help you unlock Midjourney's potential. Whether you're an expert or a beginner, Midjourney will accompany you on a thrilling ride through AI-generated art. In the section Midjourney, an intro and guide will show you how to get and use this tool. We'll guide you through the installation and compatibility. You'll integrate Midjourney into your toolkit with ease. Then, in Tour its amazing features, we'll introduce you to the functions and options. You'll learn how to adjust the parameters to suit your preferences. It's like having a secret lab where you can experiment and see the magic. Next, in Decoding the Prompt, we'll explain the meaning of the numbers, symbols, and parameters with each prompt. You'll understand the information and make informed choices about your creations. Throughout this video, we aim to teach you and make the journey fun and friendly. We want you to feel like you have a witty AI companion guiding you. All images generated are with Midjourney version 5.1. However, with our variables, you can use the same prompts for more different and unique photos in future versions. So get ready for an experience that's informative, humorous, and friendly. This video invites you to explore AI-generated art, push your imagination, and embark on an artistic odyssey that will inspire and amaze you. Let Midjourney be your partner as you discover new realms and witness the fusion of technology and art. This part will unveil the undisclosed aspects of Midjourney and provide you with the means to get this remarkable tool that will enhance your artistic capabilities. If you are a novice at Midjourney, there is no need to be concerned. We possess the ultimate access and control over everything right now. Subscription plans. Midjourney has 4 subscription tiers. Pay month to month or for the entire year for a 20% discount. Each subscription plan includes access to the Midjourney member gallery, the official Discord, general commercial usage terms, and more. How to subscribe? In the Midjourney Discord server, use the /subscribe command to generate a personal link to the subscription page, or log into the Midjourney website and go to midjourney.com/account. Or log into the Midjourney website, click on your name, and then manage subscription from the sidebar. Next, you need to activate a subscription plan. Go to the Midjourney website midjourney.com/account. Sign in with your Discord account and authorize Midjourney to access your Discord account. Subscription plans start from only $10 per month for the basic plan. A great deal for the fantastic features that await you. Now that you're ready, let's return to the Midjourney Discord. Choose a server to join. If you're new to Midjourney, we suggest joining a newbie server from the left panel. These servers are made to help you learn how to use the AI generation process and introduce you to the beautiful world of Midjourney. Discord interface. You can interact with the Midjourney bot on Discord. The Midjourney server has channels for working collaboratively, technical and billing support, official announcements, offering feedback, and discussions. The community is supportive, encouraging, and eager to share their knowledge with users just starting. Midjourney Discord, discord.gg/Midjourney. Find the chat box at the bottom of the Discord interface. This is where the fun begins. Copy and paste any prompt from this video directly into Discord. But remember, you need to include the /imagine prompt command from the video, followed by the rest of the text. This command is what tells the AI to create unique images for you. Interpreting the prompt. Looking at the image itself is the first step. One could say that it is a portal into another universe brimming with artistic possibilities. What about those annotations, you ask? But what about them? They are here to help you on your journey. so you have nothing to worry about. First, we have aspect ratios, the key to framing your art. With Midjourney, you can set the aspect ratio with the AR parameter. For example, AR 16:9 for a cinematic vibe. Imagine your creation filling up the screen, ready to amaze viewers. We have quality settings. We all want high-quality art. Well, Midjourney has got you covered. You can control the quality with the quality or Q parameter. For higher quality, use Q1, and for faster generation, Q0.25 or Q0.5. It's like having a dial to balance time and perfection. Following that, we present the assortment of stylization options. This setting affects the implementation of Midjourney's default style. The annotation will display the spectrum of stylization, such as S700. It is akin to adjusting a dial to get the optimal equilibrium between your creative vision and the enchantment offered by Midjourney. The Midjourney bot has been trained to produce images that favor artistic color, composition, and forms. The stylize or S parameter influences how strongly this training is applied. Low stylization values produce images that closely match the prompt but are less artistic. High stylization values create images that are very artistic but less connected to the prompt. Stylized default value is 100 and accepts integer values 0 to 1000. Midjourney isn't just a simple tool. It's a versatile gem that lets you customize your artistic visions. Let's see some of its features and how to use them. Midjourney knows that sometimes you need to balance image and text. That's where the image weight parameter comes in. Using IW, you can adjust the weight of the image prompt relative to the text prompt. A value of 0.5 gives equal weight to both, while 2 leans more towards the image. It's like finding the perfect spot between words and visuals. The magic of style parameters. Midjourney offers various styles to infuse your art with different aesthetics. While the Style Raw option works in V5 and version 5.1, other options exist in Niji mode. But that's not all. Midjourney also has different versions with their improvements and enhancements. For example, you can use V5.1 to access Midjourney model version 5.1 or subsequent versions as they're released. Stay updated with the latest versions to unlock new features and unleash this AI art adventure. You'll see the Imagine bar at the top of most pages on the website. To start making images, type a prompt into the bar and hit enter. You can find your images on the Create tab once your images start generating. Click over to see your results. Text generation. With Midjourney version 6, you can use double quotation marks around words or phrases in your prompts to specify the text you want to appear in your images. Single quote marks / apostrophes won't work. Midjourney only recognizes words and phrases in double quotations as text that should appear in the resulting image. Text generation is supported for standard Latin alphabet, English characters. Shorter words and phrases are more likely to be generated accurately. If you're having trouble generating the exact word or phrase in your prompt, try using Style Raw or lower stylized values or vary region to correct minor issues. Here's a fun fact. Your new image may look similar but not the same as the images in this book. If you're unhappy with the image, click the reroll button. That's because AI image generation is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you'll get. Each time you use the same prompt, the image will be unique. If you want a result closer to what was created before, you can use the seed parameter. It's like a magic word that tells Midjourney what you want. To learn more about this feature, visit Midjourney's website, docs.midjourney.com/docs/web-quick-start. There, you'll find guides and resources to help you master Midjourney. With these variables, you'll be ready to explore the fantastic world of AI-powered art creation. But here's a little tip. You can also use these text prompts on other platforms to create incredible artwork. Just leave out particular parameters, like the /imagine prompt command. Copy the text until the parameters and let your creativity soar. So, dear viewer, embrace the annotations, let your imagination soar, and create art that will amaze everyone. With Midjourney as your ally, you'll unlock infinite possibilities. Get ready to understand the information on each image page and unleash your creativity. How to switch models. Use the version parameter. Use the version or V parameter to change model versions. For example, V5.2 to use version 5.2, or Niji6 to user Niji version 6.1. Visit docs.midjourney.com/docs/parameter-list for parameters list. We've only scratched the surface of Midjourney. Go to their website's Get Started section for more features and details. There you'll find information, guides, and tips to help you master Midjourney. Remember, the key is experimentation and exploration. Don't be afraid to try different features, push boundaries, and let your imagination run wild. Midjourney is your companion on this artistic odyssey, ready to turn your dreams into realities. Are you using an Apple device? Many Apple devices automatically change double hyphens to N, M-. Midjourney accepts both. Model version 6.1. Version 6.1 was released as the new default model on July 30th, 2024. It produces more coherent images with precise details and textures and generates images approximately 25% faster than version 6. Version accepts the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.0, 5.1, 5.2, 6, and 6.1. Version can be abbreviated. V6.1 is the newest and current default model. Utilize these prompts with responsibility and respectfully. 10 episodes are being produced for your convenience, and trust me, all are free of charge. Next, you will find first episode of 10 prompts without audio so you could read attentively.